Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Auburn, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is when the distance between your present location and the desired destination exceeds 50 miles. 3 Movers is the top interstate and intrastate moving company in Auburn, Indiana. Distance is irrelevant since we have an excellent working relationship with the authorities responsible for regulating the relocation. Therefore, irrespective of how near or how distant your new address is, we guarantee the safe movement of your possessions. We also have insurance coverage to mitigate risk and safeguard your belongings throughout the relocation process. Our expert movers and drivers are meticulous and efficient, and with your valuables in our care, they are in safe hands. You deserve great moving experiences when moving to any location, and if you live in Auburn, Indiana, you can get that. It is possible to get moving services at a bargain, and that makes it a better choice to hire a mover than to do the work yourself. When you need a mover that gives top quality moving services at a good price, you need 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Auburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.